It's feet kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the.
What's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different today. I am mixing two of my favorite crochet hairs by Freetress, and it's Presto Curl and GoGo Curl. So the first time I tried Presto Curl was 2015, June 2015, and the way it held up, y'all, I think I wore this hair for probably like 5-6 weeks. I installed it like the beginning of June, and I wore it up until probably like the first week of July. Never forget it. If y'all interested in seeing that install video, I'll have a link below. And then the first time I tried GoGo Curl was back in 2014, December 2014, and it was like my first crochet video ever. So I got 2 packs of Presto Curl, and then I got 3 packs of GoGo Curl, and I'm just gonna mix them. I had good experiences with both of these hairs. I have good things to say about both of these crochet hairs by Freetress. Okay, so first off, let me show y'all some of the differences in the curls. To me, they kind of look a little bit, they look a little similar, but not too much. This is the GoGo Curl, and you can see like the GoGo Curl is a little bit looser. It's more kind of like a wave almost, and you can see like the Presto Curl right here is a little bit tighter. So this is more like a wave, this is more like a curl. So yeah, and they're both 26 inches, and we're gonna wear them and we're gonna install them. Okay, y'all, so this is 2 packs. 1 pack of GoGo Curl and 1 pack of Presto Curl. And then this is just what it looks like. So I started off with Presto Curl at the bottom, then I did GoGo Curl, and then I did Presto Curl. And so far so good. Like, y'all, I've been getting through this pretty quickly. But I'm just going to take my latch hook, place it under the braid, put the hair here, close the latch hook, pull it through, and I think I'm going to go ahead and knot it like 4 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're just going to repeat. So I'm gonna do this side. So I'm gonna start off in the front right here, pull it through, and then I'm gonna knot it 4 times again. And crocheting is really easy. I know some people are intimidated by it, but it is really easy. Even if you can't braid, it's easy. You can do the braidless method, you can do the rubber band method. Crochet braids is so easy, guys. It's so easy. Guys, what's up? So this is the finished look. You guys, I am so in love with this. I never thought that Freetress would look like this. So as y'all know, this is GoGo Curl and Presto Curl, and these two together, they just hit. And I'm gonna tell y'all why the OG crochet hairs are it, is because I use 5 packs. This is how much I got left, and 5 packs was enough. If you space it out right, 5 packs is enough, and it's full. This is full. So when I say I want my crochet hair full, this is what I mean. Full, thick, it's bouncy. I didn't have to pull any of the hair apart. And to me, when you don't have to pull the hair apart, it makes for a longer lasting crochet style. They're all still intact. So I did Presto Curl, GoGo Curl, Presto Curl, GoGo Curl. So, and then at the top, this is Presto Curl. And y'all, it was enough. It was enough. This is how much I have left. I used almost all of the 5 packs. This is how much I got left. 3 of GoGo Curl, 2 of Presto Curl. And if y'all want to mix them OG hair, crochet hairs, like Beach Curl, Presto Curl, GoGo Curl, I highly recommend that you do that, because it will not let you down. Now this hair is a little bit older. I want to say I bought this anywhere between 2019 and 2020, because I was gonna mix them all together. I was gonna do Beach Curl, GoGo Curl, and Presto Curl, but I only have Presto Curl and GoGo Curl. But you guys, this is 26 inches, and OG crochet hairs I will always gravitate towards, because they do you right. They do you right. You can wear them for 6 weeks, maybe even plus. So yeah, you guys, let me know what y'all think. I did the invisible method, but hold on, y'all. Let me see what the middle part look like. Let's see. Let's see what the middle part is looking like. Let's see. Yes. You see what I'm saying? GoGo Curl. GoGo Curl will never let you down. Presto Curl will never let you down. Like, especially, this is taking me back to 2015, y'all, I promise you. But that's it for today's video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions down below, please let me know. The hair is super easy to knot. I would recommend doing 4 or more knots so it can hold, because the hair, it is kind of soft. It's a little bit stiff, but if you do less than 4, it will start to kind of come loose, okay? So, and you don't want that. So make sure you do 4 or more knots when you're doing the hair. And that's it for this video. I will link the hair if I can find the hair, and because y'all already know I recommend this hair, like, come on. But I will link the hair if I can find the hair, so you can check out both of these hairs. And I will also link my Presto Curl and GoGo Curl videos. I have 2 GoGo Curl videos, and I have 1 Presto Curl video, and y'all need to go check them out. So yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I appreciate you guys. I'll see y'all in the next video.
Rock off your back, rock off your back, rock off your back, girl. Why this make you feel like you? 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 Why this make you feel like you?